Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have a multifunctional outdoor fan. So we're gonna open this up and I'll show you guys what it all entails and everything else. So let's open it up here. And inside, the first thing I see is a USB to USB-C cable. So that is gonna be our power for it. And then we have the box empty here. Something fell. Oh, my instructions. So here's our instructions for it there. There's a couple of different use cases on there as well. So in it, it came with this cardboard everything here. Open this up here, take this out. See what we got. And here we go. So this is it here. It's got, you could just leave it up like it was. Let me see, like this, it'll stand on a little table like that, or put these little tripod legs down. Got little rubber nubs that can come off. And then we've got the fan right there. Look at that, it's gonna rotate all around. We have our power settings right here. So let's see if we go to, there's the light. That's cool. So for like camping, we can do that. There's our fan. So I push the fan button there once and I can feel it's blowing this direction. So this is the front right there. Oop. I'm gonna say these little rubber feet might fall off, so I just lost another one here. Let's see, how do you get those to stay? Not sure. Okay, and then we have, oh, it can turn. Look at that. You see it's doing the rotating back and forth. You see it's turning that way. So that's cool. So if you're like in a tent or have it in your car or at a work site or something like that, it can rotate if you need it to. And then pushing it a second time makes the fan faster. Third time, now I can actually start to hear it a little bit. It's still pretty quiet, but boy, look at that. I don't know if you can see, my hair's blowing in it. Then this is like 4. So it looks like we have 4 levels, 2, 3, 4 levels. So that is, the 4 is the highest. And then so we can aim these where we like them to be. And then if we have the turning thing there, it's gonna go back and forth and move it around. So really cool. Great for like a tent, or 2 people even could be doing it if you turn it off and do that. Just aim there. It looks like it's got a little USB port there, so you can probably charge your phone with it as well. And then that must be the USB-C import for charging this device. So it's cool. It's running off of batteries now. I haven't even charged it. So it looks like we also have the ability. So if I go and fold these up, let's go ahead and fold these up. Let me turn the fan down a little bit. It's getting blown away. Okay, so we can also hang it upside down. So in the bottom here, you can see there is a little hook. Let me see how I can open that up. That one's gonna be tough to get open here. Let's see, how do I do that? If I was camping, I would have my camping tools, but seeing as I'm not, I don't. Okay, but there we go. So we could hang it upside down as well and have it blowing the fan from the top of the tent or roof of something or anything, just hanging it down from a rope, whatever. So you got a few different ways to have this. Works good. And you saw I just opened it up easy. I was able to pry that out. But great little fan, totally cool with the little light and everything. Nice and convenient, easy to take. It's not too heavy. So this is great. I love it. Thumbs up for sure.